Was a payment I got for using a Google tool for 30 minutes. This is a stack of cash. Now, if you want results like these and stacks of cash, then all you have to do is go to www.
Hey everyone, welcome back to E-Commerce Know-How. Today we're showcasing you the methods of how you can earn $500 daily from Google Translate. It's entirely about how to make money online. Are you ready? Well, before we dive into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out more videos that we post. Here we begin with how to make $500 daily from Google Translate.
Alright guys, so check this out. Today I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere between $500 or $750 using Google Translate. Now it's going to require a little bit of work, a little bit of thinking, but I'm going to walk you through step by step.
Utilizing Google Translate, we can make money online. Surprisingly, you don't need any degree or skill to make money. You need a smartphone or a computer with an internet connection. Earn $10 every 3 minutes utilizing Google Translate. Watch this video till the end to make money online using Google Translate and not miss out on any information related to this. If you don't follow the exact steps throughout the video, results like these will not be possible. So make sure to watch this video till the end and apply everything you learn. Now the 2 steps to earn from Google Translate utilizing a new method are: Step 1, firstly you need to be unveiling a cash generating tool that brings quick profits to you. Step 2, secondly we reveal 3 websites that will pay you top dollar for utilizing this tool. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the tool that you're not going to get paid from, but you're going to use this tool to get paid on 3 different sites that you'll need to generate cash. Now this Google Translate, the tool you can find on translate.google.com. It has over 100 languages you can translate. For example, you can translate the English language into Spanish or French or vice versa. So it's straightforward to translate text from English or any language into another language by using Google Translate. There are people out there that need their ebooks transcribed or their ebooks translated into different languages. They need their videos translated into different languages. Sometimes they even need a transcription. So there's a good scope for you to make money via the Google Translator tool that is so handy and easily accessible. Now we will teach you exactly where these businesses that go to pay people $10 every 3 minutes, sometimes even $100 to translate text. Yes, this is possible, and here's how. You can do it for free utilizing the Google Translate tool. All you have to do is copy and paste the words and it does all the work for you for free. The first website we are showcasing is Fiverr.com. Now on this website, find the translation. You can see that there are many people here selling translation. If you already have an account, log in or sign in to send the business, they will send you the clients that they want to pay you to translate. This is one of the greatest freelancing platforms for beginners. So if you're doing it for the first time, this is one of the best places to start, but 2 better places pay even more.
Having no experience to making over $3,000 per month on Fiverr, I think he can. It generates me over $3,000 per month with only 1 employee. That's me. I'm the 1 employee.
PeoplePerHour.com. If you haven't created an account on this site, you will create an account for yourself because as you can find, more people are paying you more for translating jobs. The best part about it is you don't have to speak multiple languages. Google Translate will do it for you. So set up your freelancer profile. Then you can just click on the little freelancer button in the top right hand corner to get started. With People Per Hour is one of the best sites to get started. This particular site gets just over 3.3 million visitors per month. The last site is a viral site as well, and this is Upwork.com. You might know this site as everyone works on this site and earns a lot. The site has over 31 million people per month. It's effortless to get started on the site as well. You just need to visit the Upwork main page, then you just have to log in to create an account setup and create your Upwork profile. See? This is so simple. With that, we're concluding the video. These are all the great ways to get started with making money online. You can earn a few $100, the earning via Google Translate is immense, and if you do with this with all your dedication, it can be more. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Until the following video, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more uploads like this. Remember, if you're not subscribed, you're missing out. See you soon. Bye.